In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten URL in Outlook email. First, open Outlook and make sure you're in the main dashboard. What we're doing here is not actually shortening the link itself with a separate tool, but making a long web address look much cleaner inside your email by turning it into clickable text. This is especially useful when you want your message to look more professional and easier to read. Once Outlook is open, click on Mail so you're in the email section. From there, select New Mail to start composing a new message. This will open a blank email window where you can build your message. Now, enter the recipient's email address in the To field, and then type your subject line in the subject field. Make sure your subject is clear and relevant, since that helps the recipient immediately understand what the email is about. Next, move down into the main body of the email and type the text you want to include. At this point, instead of pasting a long, messy URL directly into the message, type a short phrase that you want people to click on. This could be something simple and clear, like click here, view the document, or visit the website. Using descriptive text is usually better because it tells the reader exactly where the link will take them. After you've typed that text, highlight it with your cursor. Once it's selected, look for the hyperlink icon in the formatting toolbar. It usually appears as a small chain link symbol. Click that icon, and a box will appear where you can insert the web address. In that link field, paste your URL. Double-check that the full link is correct before continuing, especially if you copied it from another source. Once the link is in place, click OK to confirm. Now your highlighted text will become a clickable hyperlink. This means the long URL will stay hidden behind the text, making your email look cleaner and much more polished. It's a simple trick, but it makes a big difference in presentation. Before sending, it's always a good idea to quickly review the email and, if possible, test the link to make sure it opens the right page. That helps avoid mistakes and ensures your recipient has a smooth experience. And that's it. You've successfully added a shortened-looking URL in Outlook email by converting a long link into neat, clickable text.